Hey students and parents, I wanted to make this really quick short video to go over just a few important items for school going the next couple weeks. So first thing is that next week is spring break, so kids do not have any required work that they'll have to do for my class. It is spring break and we really just want you guys to rest, spend time with each other, that sort of thing. Now, that doesn't mean you can't work ahead. You're more than welcome to work ahead at your own pace. So, or even work to get caught up if you have things that NTI work that you need to get caught up on, or if there's other work from the third and fourth 9 weeks that you need to get caught up on, maybe spend that time next week doing that. So I'm not going to have any of my formal meetings with students. You can still message me. I'm just going to be at home, and I'll work via text or email, so feel free to message me if you have any questions regarding assignments. Let's see, number two, the second thing is that a lot of students have been asking about the NTI work for the following week after spring break, which is like the week of the 13th. We are not going to be giving out additional work for that week. So kids, if you have been keeping up with your NTI work, consider this like a 2-week spring break instead of just a 1-week spring break. So use that time again to get caught up, redo work for a better grade, or even do your own personal passion projects, whatever it is that you guys are interested in for that. And I can provide, if it's engineering or robotics related, I can provide some really cool stuff for that. And then the third thing is that I stole this little survey from a teacher friend of mine that I'd really like for you guys to take. Really, I was just thinking for students to take it, but parents, you all could take that as well. The survey is really quick. It's just a quick check-in on how are you doing? What is it that I can do to help you guys moving forward? Like just in general, what's your response been to our current situation? So I really like to get as much feedback and response on that as possible. That way I can help support you guys moving forward. And then finally, get some rest, stay healthy. I'm really hoping that we'll get to see each other again on May 4th, and we'll finish out this year strong. So have a great spring break next week, and if you need anything, you know how to reach me.